Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the short stock update for the 2015 65 Reg F33 325D M Sport. The vehicle was previously advertised and it did display a private registration. However, we've now cleared our little admin error up and is now displaying the correct registration for the vehicle it will now be sold with. As you can see, this is a wonderful example of the 325D M Sport. If you want some more information on this vehicle and want a full walk around, up now in the top right hand corner will appear a link for that video. And of course you can check out the links in the description for both that video and our website. It is of course presented in Alpine White, does of course come with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, as well as those striking 20-inch 405 M style alloys, a full black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options. All 325D M Sports do come with the X-Drive four-wheel drive system, which is of course going to help out massively, especially at the moment with the colder winter months we're in. Round at the back of the car we do of course have a gloss black rear spoiler and matching diffuser on this vehicle. Around at the other side of the car you can see there for yourselves, it's an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, this one. The Alpine White really does work exceptionally well with all of the additions we've made. Inside this vehicle you do have the professional wide sat nav and media screen, and again if you want to see more about all of the interior features on this wonderful 3 Series, all you have to do is follow the link for the main walk around. So again, just to clear it up, it is now being sold on this registration that you can see there for yourself. So that's Yankee Golf 65 Oscar Mike Foxtrot. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care and we shall hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.